Working with selections. Making changes to an area within an image in Photoshop is a two-step process. First, select the part of an image you want to change. With one of the selection tools, you use another tool, filter or other feature to make changes. The selection process limits changes to within the selected area. Using the Quick Selection tool. The Quick Selection tool provides one of the easiest way to make a selection. You simply paint an area of an image and the tool automatically finds the edges. Step 1. Select the Quick Selection tool from the tool panel. Step 2. Click on green area near the outside edge of the window. The Quick Selection tool finds the full edge automatically, selecting the entire window. Moving a selected area. Once you have made a selection, to move the selected area to another part of the composition, you use the Move tool. This image has the only one layer, so the pixels you move will replace the pixels beneath them. This change is not permanent until you deselect the moved pixels. If the window is not selected, repeat the previous exercise to select it. Step 1. Select the Move tool. Notice that the window remains selected. Step 2. Drag the selected area to anywhere on the building so that the window can be adjusted. Step 3. Click Select tab, then choose Deselect option and click File tab and save.